Alright guys, hi again. Today we're expecting snow. I think it's already starting. Yes, it is snow in Greece sometimes, okay? What we have? We have Crown here. You coming in? You coming in? No. Okay. We have Rosie here. She doesn't want to go out because it's nice and warm here. So I have to clean up a little bit that mess I created yesterday. This is our memorabilia from, I don't know. This is my men's cave. So I have cleaned up the whole thing here, and we have put on the part 3. We have put this beautiful bag on. Check it out. It's so nice. I love it. And today I'm gonna put the other side. So I'm shooting a video because this is different. Okay, this one I have. It took a long time because I have the toolbox, I have the mufflers, I have to level and everything. So hopefully this side it's gonna be easier. All right. So let's see. First, I'm gonna put this on. Let me get the long bolts. Let me get some stuff. Okay, so we'll do the same thing we did on the other one. Put a straight line here from hole to hole. Right here. I have already done that. Before we mark. Okay. All right. Do that. Okay, so I got a marker here. I got all spacers and stuff, washers, lug nuts. So right now, I'm just gonna mark this space here. Okay, so I can put the mounts. This. It's the same thing with the first video, except this one is a little bit different. You gotta take your time with this stuff because sometimes it looks easy, but it's not. See, now I have to put the bolt. I have no idea why this bolt doesn't want to go. Here. Okay. So what I do is, you see this channel here? This is what I level. I put the channel here inside the tube or the the mount, the back support, and this is the way I level. And then I put it like one finger from the flashlight, so it will look the same like the other one. When I do that, I make sure I have clearance from the seat, and then I will bring a little bit out, so I can put another bag on the top of it. Also, I want to make sure I have clearance for her leg, right here. So let's do it. Let's mark this first. So I'm going to put one finger on the flashlight, and I'm going to put one here. and one here. So I'm going to put one here and one here. So I can move it a little bit left and right before I mark the other ones. Right there. Right there and a little bit out, like here. Alright, let's mark. I'm going to put this one first, then I'm going to level again and put the second one later. Okay. So I put the double tape. What I'm going to do is, the second one is a little bit lower, okay? It's not on the same line, so if this one it's on the curve, I'm going to put this one just about quarter of an inch lower. And I'm going to try. It's not easy because I don't have nothing level. I just have to go by eyesight. Okay, so I'm looking this bag, then I'm looking this bag, and I know it's right there. It's right there. So I'm gonna hold it. Over here. You see? Check it out. So I need another pencil. Here you go. So I'm gonna mark here, and I'm gonna mark the hole this way so I can take the tape out. Right here. Okay, take the tape out. Right here for now. Okay. And I'm gonna line up this one right here. Right here. Right there. Just a little bit lower than the other one. So they both can touch the tube and support the weight evenly. One more time. Yep. See? Okay, good. Okay. Now this is an important step because if I screw up the top holes, I have problem. So put it here like this. Okay, they look the same. Exactly. I have no way of leveling the thing. Okay, this is like I'll say 15 degrees. This is more. This is difficult because I have no way to level the back, so I have to go by eye aside. Okay, this is better. Okay, now I can mark much easier, you see. I have to put one finger from here and yep, I have to put new tape. You see, this way I can just lay down here and I can see them, they're level. They're level right there, right there. Okay, that's the only way I can, you know, make sure this one and this one, they're exactly the same. So I'm going to put fresh tape on the back and mark from scratch. You see how I'm trying to do? Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I have already marked and I got my pencil so I can make sure, and this is it. This is it. If it's a little bit off, I can play with the hole a little bit, you know, like 1/16, no more. That's it. Let's do it. Spacers. There you go. Okay, it's vertical. Vertical looks exactly the same. Alright, let me tighten the bolts and I'm gonna put the seat on and say, let's see how it looks like. Remember the rubber gaskets I put on the chrome so it wouldn't get scratched on the previous video, if you want to see it. But this is for fun, you know. And it's pretty good. Okay. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna hold that bolt here. This is not an easy thing to do. There's not much space. Expecting the snow today, so I got plenty of wood. I got wood for a month for the fireplace, and I'm gonna go a little bit later when I finish this to cover the plants. There is some plants that are very sensitive to very low temperature. Now, whoever wants to steal this bag from the bike, well, we don't leave the bike really somewhere alone. Only when we go for, you know, for tours and we stay in the hotels. But the hotels we choose, they're always, we choose them and we know the owners for safety. So this got the lock mount. I'm not going to be dealing with these bags anymore. After I tension this, I'm done. Well, I'm going to use the leather soap from Harley Davidson, and when I finish with them, they're going to look like brand new. But not today, tomorrow probably. Also, I ordered new lugs because this one is little screwed from Germany. You can find these lugs here. This is, I don't know why. I mean, you can find them anywhere because these, you see, the thing is like 15.5 centimeters, and the ones they sell on the stores is 16.5 centimeters. It doesn't matter, like they're like $30, and I think it's worth it. So I can have my brand new keys and everything. But these lugs, they work for now. They're a little bit old and I just don't trust them much. That's why I ordered the new ones. So these bags probably going to stay on the bike for even if I sell the bike. I don't know if I'm going to sell the bike. I've been thinking about it for like 20 years sometimes, you know. My wife, Rose, she doesn't let me sell the bike. And I try many times to sell the bike, and I didn't really want it. And I turned the people back, you know. I put in a couple of thousand more expensive what it's worth. So they go away. I know I overdo that, but you know, safety first. Check it out. Regular nut and lug nut. It doesn't go nowhere. If somebody wants to steal these bikes, they have to rip them off. Alright, so let's put the seat on and let's look like how it looks like. When you work on the bike, on your bike, make sure you have plenty of time, because things can go wrong. Don't put the bike in for a couple hours work. It ain't gonna happen. This is my experience. Except if you are a mechanic and you do that all the time. What do you guys think? Wow. And I have space here, they're very strong, so I have space here to, if I carry a lot of stuff, I just put a couple of more, 2 more bags here, 2 black bags, and I have plenty of cargo. I think it looks nice. What do you think? I love them. It's not easy to put a bag on a fat boy that you want, you know. They make, Harley has some bags for the fat boy and everything. And there are a lot of aftermarket bags too. They all cost very expensive. But when I saw these, I fell in love. I think they're perfect for the fat boy. They look classic and they have plenty of space for us. That's all we need. Alright, and let's check on my cats before I sign out. This is Harley. Say hi, baby. Yes, you're on TV. This is, she loves it up there. And this is Rose. Rosie. Hey, baby. Then they love the heater. And one more thing. Let's check if the snow started. No, not yet. Not yet. Maybe in a couple of hours. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.